Yeah, now let's start understanding types of functions in Python. There are three types of functions, Tim. One is predefined functions, and second one is user-defined functions, and third one is third-party functions. What are predefined functions? Predefined functions comes by default with Python software. So it comes with Python software. You no need to write single line of code. Example, you are using till now you are using print, right? Print function, input function, etc. Right? So all these are predefined functions. So we used multiple predefined functions. So these comes by default with Python software. You no need to write a single line of code. Based on your requirement, you can use predefined functions. Predefined functions. These are predefined functions. Now, user-defined functions. User-defined functions. User-defined functions. Let's say you are working for X bank. Assume you are working for X bank. Then you will develop functions like withdraw, deposit, transfer, etc. functions for your X bank client. Yes or no? If you write these kind of functions for your client requirement, these functions are called user-defined functions. User-defined functions. Then what about third-party functions? What about third-party functions? Is these functions are from which party? Third party means which party? It is not of Python. It is not developed by user-defined. Let's say our X bank storing complete data into Snowflake. Let's say our X bank storing data into Snowflake. So withdraw purpose, deposit purpose, transfer purpose, we need to connect with the Snowflake database. So we download one driver called Snowflake-connector. Snowflake-connector. This Snowflake-connector contain different modules. There it contains some functions like connect function to create a connection between your Python application and Snowflake. So like this, you may see multiple functions. So all these functions are third-party functions. These third-party functions not developed by Python software vendors, user or developer working for X bank. These are developed by Snowflake vendors. Yes or no? So like Snowflake, MySQL, Oracle, etc., gives their own driver software which contain different predefined functions to interact with their softwares. Okay, so we have three kinds of functions: predefined, user-defined, and third-party functions. So as a part of our procedure-oriented programming, we are going to develop user-defined functions. User-defined functions. Okay.